They say you can't improve a classic. We say it can be revived, reimagined, and made new. This is Project Cornwall, a Defender 110, restored to its roots and refined for the road ahead. Under the hood, a 450 horsepower GM LT1, mated to an 8-speed automatic that delivers power with poise. Alcon brakes, Coney adjustable shocks. It's not just classic, it's composed. Every turn, every climb, every coast down feels deliberate. Keswick Green, a nod to its British roots, finished in high gloss and paired with a Narvik Black roof for contrast. Inside, it's a study in detail. Shieldman Traveller and Transport seats wrapped in warm Cognac leather, switches and panels painted to match. You don't see the seams between past and present, you feel them. This vehicle is a timeless classic, a living reminder that authenticity, when built with intention, never fades.